Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're a musician, DJ or event host who's tired of bulky PA systems that require constant plugging in, have complicated setups, or lack that crystal clear Bose sound for outdoor gigs, then get amped because today we're powering up a portable performer. It's the Bose S1 Pro Plus wireless PA system. This battery-powered beast delivers room-filling audio with up to 11 hours of playtime, wireless mic options, and a lightweight design for easy transport. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description and trust me, if you want professional grade sound with Bluetooth streaming, app control, and rugged build for parties, performances, or presentations, this is the system that'll make your events unforgettable. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break it down and see why it's an S1 Pro Plus must-have in 2026. First, the feature breakdown on the Bose S1 Pro Plus wireless PA system. This is a portable, all-in-one PA with a high-output woofer and 3 tweeters for wide dispersion and clear vocals, delivering up to 103 decibels of sound that's balanced and powerful without distortion. It has a built-in 3-channel mixer with 2 combo XLR 1/4-inch inputs for mics or instruments, each with independent reverb, tone controls, and volume, plus a 3rd channel for Bluetooth streaming or auxiliary input. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery lasts up to 11 hours at moderate volumes, charging in under 4 hours via AC power, and you can play while charging for non-stop use. It's wireless-ready with optional Bose mic transmitters that store and charge inside the system for clutter-free setups, and Bluetooth 5.0 ensures stable streaming up to 30 feet with low latency. The Bose Music app lets you adjust EQ, reverb, and settings remotely, enable party mode to link 2 S1 Pro Plus units for stereo or mono, or use auto EQ that optimizes sound based on placement, upright, tilted, or on a stand. The rugged enclosure is lightweight at 14.4 pounds with a molded handle for easy carrying, and it's IPX4 rated for splash resistance. Additional perks include a standard pole mount for elevated use, line out for daisy chaining, and USB-C for firmware updates. Priced around $399, it comes in black for a pro look. Versatility is a standout. Use it for solo acoustic sets with wireless mics, DJ parties with Bluetooth mixing, or speeches with clear projection. It's great for small venues, outdoor events, or home practice with its balanced sound that fills spaces without feedback. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are performing strong, powerful, clear sound with wide coverage for engaging audiences, long 11-hour battery for cable-free gigs, easy wireless mic integration for quick setups, app control with EQ and party mode for customized experiences, and lightweight, rugged design for portable reliability. Users love how it punches above its size with Bose quality audio, the battery that lasts through events, and the app's simplicity for fine-tuning. It's reliable, user-friendly, and elevates any performance. On the con side, the 14.4-pound weight might feel hefty for long carries. No built-in effects beyond reverb, so you need external gear for more. The IPX4 rating protects from splashes, but not full submersion. And some note the app connectivity can drop in crowded areas, though most say it's stable. Overall, pros dominate for performers. My recommendation? Absolutely. Go for the Bose S1 Pro Plus wireless PA system if you do live events or music. And the pros like sound quality, battery life, and portability make sense for you. It's ideal for musicians, speakers, or hosts wanting pro audio without the hassle of traditional setups. Before we wrap, if these reviews get your sound amping, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gets you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a performer friend, or subscribe for more. See you next time.